Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on setting up two-step verification for your PlayStation account on PS5. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. If you want to use 2FA using your mobile number, we will first have to add your number to your account. From the dashboard of PS5, move to the top, and then go to the right until you get to Settings and open them. In Settings, open Users and Accounts. Select Account. Now select Security. In Security, open Mobile Number. Tap Add Mobile Number. Now select your country and enter your phone number. Tap Add once done. You'll now receive an SMS with a confirmation code you will need to enter to confirm your phone. Now you've done that, go back to the security settings, and this time select two-step verification. Here choose either 2FA with a text message or with an authenticator app. I'll be using the text message method for this tutorial. Choose your saved mobile number and then click Next. You'll now be sent an SMS. Enter the code you receive here and then select Activate. Two-step verification is now set up. You will be shown backup codes on your screen. You can use each one once in order to access your account if you don't have your phone with you. Take a photo of or write down these codes and keep them somewhere safe. Once you are finished, click I recorded these backups for future use, and then select Done. You will now need to sign back into your PlayStation account to continue. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more PS5 tips and tricks.